Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We got the Lifetime 8x10 outdoor storage shed that's steel reinforced. It's got the doors in the front, so it's an 8x10, so it's 10 feet wide, 8 feet deep. We got the base done in the back. You could either do a wood base or a concrete base. Okay, so we unboxed everything. Flooring, roofing, walls, the reinforced steel that comes with it is in these as well. Okay, so the shed's complete and we started using it. We got some things that were put inside of it. My favorite things are really these double doors. So if we're looking at why I really just love this, it's got double doors. It's got a UV protected exterior to it, so it's gonna last a long time. I also like the fact that it has windows in both the doors. So if you wanna pull in a lawnmower like we did, you can do that. And the windows make it so you have some light in there. You can see what's going on. It also has the two side windows, which are really nice. They give a lot of light for that. And the entire inside has got like a skylight to it, so you don't feel like there's any darkness or dark corners to it. So I love the fact that it has a lot of light in it. And it actually has really a lot of room to it. So an 8x10 inside here, you can see I got 3 bikes in here. I got my riding mower in here. I got some bikes, some accessories for my truck, a ladder. I'll start putting a lot more tools and that sort of thing in here. So it has everything you really need. And when you walk in, it's not super low. So I'm about 5'11". You can walk in. And then inside it has more height to it too, so you're not feeling like you're ducking into a cave getting into it. So those are my favorite things about it. It also is really nice just to have it. It has some locks on the bottom, so you can lock one of the main doors. And if you want to, you can padlock it. I don't really need to padlock it, but it's in my backyard behind a gate and fence and things like that. But if you want to, you can. If you don't want your kids to get in it or that sort of thing, it has that capability. The other nice thing about it is it has 2 shelves that look like this. I'm not really using the shelves right now, but if you want to put your gas cans up or you want to do things like that, you can do that, or your pesticides or anything that's kind of like that, or my pool supplies. It comes two of them that come like this. It also has these hooks in the side. These will hold 7 pounds or less than 7 pounds. They're good for like hanging like hoses maybe, or power cords or things like that. They're not great for hanging tools, but doesn't matter because I don't really hang up my tools. I like to stack things into the corners and stuff like that. So this is just kind of like whatever, but I usually do things like this with it, which I love the fact that I can kind of just put things in and get everyone kind of situated in there. So that's really the inside of this. You can move these shelves anywhere where they have these double slots. So if you want to, you can move those kind of around, whatever works for you. The shelves are fairly big, so you probably have to see if it actually would fit on the back, which they fit perfect. And so they did a really good job of doing that. So these will probably end up being loaded on the side for me. So I can actually put all my gas stuff in there and that sort of thing. The back will end up having all the stuff I don't get to that often. It does have a nice floor to it as well. So I like the fact that it has a floor to it that's really, it goes over top of our base. So we built a wood frame base, which is required to do because it needs to sit on something flat. Or you can build a concrete slab, or if you have a concrete slab, you can put on that. But that's really it. Really easy to do. The assembly time of it does take you some time to assemble it. There's a lot of pieces, a lot of screws, but the instructions are super easy to follow. You could do it over multiple days if you want. I did all the assembly of the walls and stuff one night after work. So by the time I got out here, it was kind of like slide them in place, screw them together, slide them in place, screw them together. So it really isn't hard to do. It comes with a lot of pieces and screws. So you have to take your time, put it together. Don't get frustrated. It's easy to do. And that's really it. I mean, so I love the fact that I can get my garage cleaned out. Project of mine for the year is to get that cleaned out. I love that these lock up and it houses everything I want, nice and neat. And it's a great addition to cleaning out our garage, getting our cars put in our garage, and putting all of our tools and things like that. Gas cans, I hate the smell of gas in my garage. It's nice that it's out in the shed. So that's it. We'll see you next time. This is a side entry, which I think is the only way to go with it. And so that's it. We'll see you next time.